sister, come, watch. Can't survive with money and bread alone. You need some money and be called your own. Look, brother. Hold it, hold it. I want to sing this a cappella. Allow me to sing this a cappella. Because I know I can't do it without you, my brother and my sister. And you can't do it without me, and you can't do it without our friend. So I need some love. I need some love, my sister. Huh. I need you and you and you can't do it alone. You know that? You need some love. Everybody needs love, my brother. What? I need you and you and you can. What we say? You can't live alone. In our life we can't live alone. In our music we can't take it alone. Even in the church you can't pray alone. If you know what I'm saying, push up your one ear and say, Banda Bakura, Kaina easier. Next one. So, you can't do it alone. You know that? So, everybody, if you know you can't do it alone, always say, so, can't survive with money and bread alone. You need some money of the call your own. Sister, hey! You can't live in a house in the hole alone. If nobody there, you can't call it a home. Open your heart up, usaguneta high. Tell me somewhere where usa space high. Cause you need that money, that's somebody. Somebody that watch it up. Somebody have to make you feel alright. Could have been your friend and could have your wife. You can't live this your lonely life. How is it? I need some love. I need some love. I need you. Push up your one here. If you know you're not being settled from the heart. Africans, yes, I'm the baddest, yeah. Some of them are calling me your highness. Yes, I'm timeless, back to the timeless. That's all they want. What we say? From that Magure, I'm not easy at all. Boy, and it's only for my jewelry, how you come. What we say? Something tells us, take over. What happened to who is over? But take over, right now, I know what's you now. But I say my ladies, they listen to this song like daily. Now what you can't talk just steady. Them call me yes, yeah what? Some of them call me Jamaican. Boy, them sing a living on the version. But I'm straight up Zimbabwean. DJ Kamuga Mami, what we say? And we say close my baby I go. Why and why, yes they go. Some of them just can't let me. If you know you come from far, close up, go. The panda, the Buddha. Easy at all. Watch, hey, I need to make my shoe. Now we are come from far. What with it? Never get so. Let's take over. But I'm not the fool and the over. Okay, we'll talk about the change for us over. No, for them. Who is your party? Who is your party? This one. Hold it. This one. Auntie. But in my baby, put that whiskey. That we are the cheap on and they put them top, but then they have a tipsy. And some of them just can't let me go. Banda Bakura. Come on to the introduction mode. Right now we're ready to party and put some fire in it. So if you're ready, say fire. If you're ready, push up your money and say fire. Give out and scream the one. Welcome, welcome. Yes, singing in the jungle. The city players getting rubber. Five-star carrier, tell them say what I worry. Step into the top, coming forward to the top here. See that they were clapping and they give me one more clapping. Yes, say we don't win it. Watch out now. Go on the river, go. You think it is that? Lyrics, fucking it's how they must be checking that. Lyrically, things for me tough like Lisa. I give them dance. I will say that. Lisa, who ready? Who ready? I give them dance. I will say that. Lisa, go. Who ready? Meditation to sing and about the week and yes, my winner yes, music, my dinner yes, so music music, my dinner who are you? coming up like a general. Let's go. I give them time. Yeah. Push up your hand here if you don't see up behind. Welcome. Push up. Alana. I'm feeling the dancer. Well done up. Right star carry. Man, don't worry. Step into the top. Come in, put me the toppy. See them never copy. What for copy? Send it down with it. Oi. Come on, give me mambo, huh? Give me killer. Give me son of a killer. Something to like a general. Oi. I give them dancer. Like you said. Let's go. Who ready? Who ready? Who ready? Who ready? I give them dancer. Like you said. Let's go. Who ready? Who ready? Who ready? Squeeze that junior. Meditation, music, and them. They don't know about the week of them. Yes, but we know yes. Music, my Gina, yes. Music, my thing, yes. Everything, my thing, yes. Why are you? And I'm like, that's your vibe. Extra fire! Fire upon them! Fire upon them! Fire upon them! What? Push up your one! Good! Everybody go! DJ Bambuka, what I know, yes I'm never, yes. If I give one hand, I give you time, what are you gonna choose? If I make two when I say church, what are you gonna do? Oh, let's talk about it, every time, let's talk about it, let's talk about it. What is it, man? If I say, everyone, what you gonna choose? What's that? Love in the morning, love in the evening. What we say? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Oh, I'm talking to you. What? No. Can I have your attention? Who? For a minute or a second. I'm trying to understand the situation. He's my kind. What? Now, do you wanna make guy more money? Sweet blue guy, no money. Who can take you out? Vacation. Come love sometimes. Watch out, look. Ice cream and jump out of it. Just one out. Oh, you do the regular. So I think we're doing it. Whiskey, the wine, and the wine. Let's talk about it. I guess something you really want. Watch out, what? Booma, booma, booma. He's somewhere out. Again. I guess something you really want. What? I got something you really want. Why? Booma, booma, please tell me what I know. I got something. Why? My people. Oh, let's talk about it. What's up? You want to talk about it? Go to here, sir. Yeah. Oh. Why you gonna choose me? Oh, listen. When I say church, why you gonna choose me? Oh, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Right now, when I say this, if I say, give me one, give me that, why you gonna choose me? Let me tell you, love in the morning, love in the evening, why you gonna choose me? Let me tell them, let's talk about it. Hey, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Yeah, let's talk about it. Just like this. My girl, can I have your attention? For a minute or second, I'm trying to understand the situation. Here's my crazy question. Do you wanna pay girl more money? Or sweet blue guy no money? Who can take you out? Oh, now sometimes that's it. Ice cream and jumbo on the bed. Just one on. Never do no day. You Zulani with Zulani, whiskey and wine in the way. Let's go. I got something you really want. That people are put to you put it to the claim, what you really want? You want who? One thing you want, one thing you want. Who know that who? Rastaman, hold your real come on. What's the influence? Inspiration and motivation. Listen to me. Hold on, listen to that. Get out here. What? I'll come back a little bit. Auntie, you want who? What thing you want? Oh no, now who? Tell me what's the difference? Ha! Inspiration and motivation. Listen to the meditation when I say. Tell me something what I want. Another fire upon them. Don't give them time. Give me one from the region, give me the big candy drum and the next winner. Everyone up in that to the gate winner. Let's just allow your heart. Wait. I'm not gonna win the person. But I'm gonna win the person. I am this. But I'm gonna win the person. Who wants to man? But I'm gonna win the go. Everyone, I'll be that to the pocket. It's $1 million. Why? Listen. Why? What kind of a get you to do that? What in the blue and the blue? You what you do them? What did you do them? How do you put on the sugar? That's what you order. That's what you order. Everybody go. That's it. Watch out. That's what you order. Why? Can you not say man a Bugatti? Watch out. Let them turn pocket. We come in here and they get on the pocket. Can you not say man a Bugatti? Bugatti would turn on them can't pocket. He and they in the pocket. Reason being, I don't see it. Did you do so? What did you put on the sugar? What did you give it to? Watch and that's for the order. Hey, did you do? What did you put on the sugar? What did you give it to? Reason, because it's with a different level. Many years did you shut down my level. So, can you stick to the level? Up to the plan. Can you some of my systems? International market. Every better you kiss. Why? I'm a child speak. Everything with you with me. Let's put a dance. Oh, I am a simple music. I got them. Something like them. Oh, did you do? I did not put up enough. That's what you order. Oh, did you do? I did not put up on the sugar. I never did kill it. Did you do? I did not put up on the. I never did kill it. That's what you order. Everybody, did you do? I did not put up on the. I never did kill it. Why? That's funny. Give me the keys to the city, everything pretty man and show me as a guy coming. I'm pretty killer. That's why you say killer. As you stand killer, what was happening later? When you get empty them to the world, we go put our prayer like a civil and beat and then they have a laugh. Did you do? What did you put on? Whatever did you do? Watch out, that's money. Watch out, did you do? Why don't you so jealous?